I can't imagine how a 2% interest rate and mortgage levels where they are today, and $2 to $2.50 gasoline will be bad for our economy.
CAP's profits fell 25% in the fourth quarter, and a lot of that has to do with the collapse of crude prices. I wonder how long you think crude prices will stay this low. How prolonged is this?
Frankly, I don't have a clue. We've seen forecasts from $20 a barrel next week to $80 a barrel next month. What we're trying to do at Caterpillar is make sure everything we do inside our four walls can handle $20 or $80 or wherever it is. It's hard. Fracking is going to come, new fracking is going to come to a screeching halt.
We've seen tens of thousands of jobs cut in the oil sector in just the past month, and I wonder if you think CAT will have to cut jobs if we don't see a rebound in oil soon.
We have cut jobs, actually, and we're planning on 2015 to take top line down about 10%, $5 billion, if you can imagine. About half of that's our oil business. Our business goes up and it goes down. Our people are accustomed to that, and many of our businesses are very solid are great when times are good, and we have to adjust when times are soft.
Here's the thing, though. A lot of the building and big construction projects cost less when oil is cheaper. So you would think that it might be good for you in that respect. Has it been?
Great point. And we will see, and we are starting to see, in the U.S. anyway, the benefits in some of our sectors with the cheaper oil price. Okay. Imagine asphalt prices. Asphalt today is not quite half of what it was a year ago with a big drop in oil price, but imagine a government, a city government, municipal government, state government, federal government, strapped for cash, and all of a sudden they can pave twice as many streets. Will it offset for us the down impact on our oil business and the rest of our business? I doubt it, but it'll be a big help for us in the United States. We have a lot of U.S. dealers and customers right now that are very optimistic, and I've been with many in the last few weeks.
Looking outside of Caterpillar and the business you run, as a U.S. citizen, is cheaper oil good or bad for the U.S. economy long term?
I can't imagine how a 2% interest rate and mortgage levels where they are today, and $2 to $2.50 gasoline will be bad for our economy. Now there's going to be a transition. City of Houston, North Dakota, parts of Pennsylvania are going to go through this adjustment, as we always have with ups and downs in oil. But everybody else just had this huge stimulus provided to in their lap that no Federal Reserve Bank has ever been able to do. How is that going to be bad for us over the long term?
So net positive.
Two questions, 2 points. How long does it stay where it is? Does it go lower or higher, as we were talking a minute ago? If it stays low, they'll start to spend.